How to withdraw Pi coin from Pi mining app. I'm going to show you how you can easily withdraw Pi coin from Pi mining app. First, log into your Pi mining app and tap the menu icon in the upper left corner. From the menu, select the Pi browser. You will see instructions about using the Pi browser. Now tap on Sign in to Pi browser. If you haven't installed the Pi browser yet, it will redirect you to your App Store to download it. If you already have the browser installed, it will take you directly to the browser. Once in the Pi browser, it typically signs you in automatically if you're already using the Pi mining app. However, if needed, you can manually log in using your Pi network login details. After accessing the Pi browser, you can generate a new wallet within the app. Use this built-in wallet to store your Pi coins. Once set up, you'll be able to transfer your assets and manage your Pi coins. Currently, Pi withdrawal is in a testing phase, and further instructions on withdrawals for mainnet usage will be provided by the Pi network in the future.